In today's video, I'll teach you how to top up on DramaWave. First of all, launch open DramaWave application. You can see over here DramaWave application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to top up, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Right over here, you'll be able to see this option for wallet. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your wallet interface. You can see your account balance over here. So if you want to top up, tap on this option top up that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to top up. You'll be able to see the amount of coins over here, or you can also subscribe to the VIP plan. So simply tap on the amount of coin that you would like to top up to your account. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to purchase it. For that, what you have to do is simply add a payment method. So tap on this option, add credit or debit card that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is provide your card details over here, enter your card number, expiry date and security code. Tap on the option save card and it will be saved. Now this card can be used in order to complete your purchase. Simply complete your transaction. After you do that, this amount of coin will officially be topped up on your account. So like this, you'll be able to top up. So that is how you top up on DramaWave. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.